Hopefully you took a moment to explore our slide full of celebration moments and took some time for yourself to celebrate the hard work you've done and fill out that Jamboard with your celebration. Thank you for doing that. So next, guys, we're going to take a moment to really look forward and back on where we have been and where we are going. I really want you to frame this with a sense of accomplishment. I know when we did our Q1 check-in, we talked about kind of powering through, showing that endurance. You did it. You've made it. So now is the time to really think about that sense of accomplishment. What have you done? What worked really well for you at this time? And carry that into what we're looking at next. So think back, right? Maybe changes you made, things you learned along the way. I have tons of those, right, in this model that I have learned and changed and found success with. I know you do too. So think about what you've accomplished in that, what you fought through, what you have found success in. On the next slide, you're going to take a survey that just gives me a little bit more information about how things are going for you, how things went, where you're at. And then after that, we're going to move into talking about the importance of rest. So we're going to think about, with our break coming up, what does it really look like to take time for ourselves, to take care of ourselves, and to rest, all right? So that's going to be what we're looking at next to wrap up. But like I said, I really want you to think back before you go forward. Where did you start and where are you now? And what have you accomplished in that time?